days for holding elections, it is our duty to say that. It is not our choice. It is not our choice. It is our duty to say that. Instead of finding a reason why we should avoid to say that. This is what has happened. You call it controversy. I'm sorry, I'm not worthy of controversy. I'm a very humble person. You say you support us, please don't say that. I'm just one of the members of the Supreme Court of Pakistan. If you stand up for the Constitution and the law, then you must support the Supreme Court of Pakistan. And not any individual. We have no existence individually. Our existence is as a unit, as a constitutional organ, and that is how we function. But the important thing is that the Supreme Court, when it speaks on merit, its judgment has moral authority. That becomes even more important when those judgments are not appealed or no review is filed. Then that means no one has any objection to the judgment. If a review is filed, then it will be heard, because no judgment is binding unless it becomes final. But if a judgment is not challenged, then it becomes final. So let's see what happens now. Let's see what happens now. And I'm optimistic that the people of Pakistan, the leaders of Pakistan, the institutions of Pakistan are all committed to the Constitution. Do you know that in this context, the leaders of Pakistan, the political leadership of Pakistan agreed to start negotiations, which have not ended yet. This is what we were informed. We have nothing to do with that. But at least they are conscious that they have a duty to comply with the Constitution. And we are there to support that effort. Otherwise, our judgment is there. It has a force of its own. It may not be implemented today, but it will last to the test of time and shall be implemented tomorrow.